Hi, in this short video, we are going to review how you can remove the most annoying ums and ah in the audio. I'm going to show you how you can do this in iMovie, and this is a very simple way to do. Anybody can do it. Let's get right into it. I have created this temporary project for demonstration purpose. Let's open a video that has an opportunity. This one is an example of video. I just drag it here. So let's see what it is.
Look at this view. I think this is one of the best places I have seen.
The very first step would be to detach the audio. You can do this by doing a two-finger tap on the video. So you should see the green bar right here that has the audio. Now the next step should be to full zoom in the audio. To do this, you can use the menu option to zoom in or use the zoom in gesture. Now the third step would be to identify the exact audio locations in the current audio and remove them. So let's try to see this wave of audio. We can see there are ups and downs in this wave, and when you carefully play this audio and observe it, you will notice that specific sounds are related to specific wave patterns. The special ones like ahs and ums have a special signature that you will notice it very easily. You may need to carefully observe the audio and play it multiple times to really understand where exactly you need to start and stop. I think it may take a few tries and then you will be able to export it. Once you know the exact location of these audios, start and end, then you should be able to start clipping them. So here it shows the beginning of the audio that has and you could do a split clip right there so that it becomes a separate section. Now you can do the same thing towards the end of it by just simply going ahead at the end of that curve and marking the split so that the end of it is also covered. Now you can simply hit delete on this selection and move this audio back to join so that there is no audible difference, and that's it. And you should be able to repeat this process for entire audio file so that your audio is completely clean. Thanks for watching.